After nearly 3 years of adjudication, the case against former physician's assistant Mick Gene Drage came to an end Thursday as Gila County Superior Court Judge Gary Scales sentenced him to spend the next 9 years on probation. Several members of local law enforcement were on hand for the hearing to witness a person they believed to have enabled opiate addiction in the Gila Valley ultimately be stripped of his license to practice medicine. Drage previously pleaded guilty to 3 separate amended charges of securing the proceeds of an offense, a Class 6 undesignated felony. The charges were in relation to a 4-month time period when he prescribed medication, including dangerous and narcotic opioid drugs, while not under the umbrella of a supervising physician. During sentencing, the prosecution pushed to keep the felonies undesignated until Drage had completed his probation. Drage's defense attorney, Michael B. Bernays, however, said keeping them as a felony would be excessively punitive because he already wouldn't be allowed to prescribe controlled substances under the plea agreement. Also, a felony conviction would cause Drage to lose his medical board license. Saying Drage showed no remorse for his actions, Judge Scales kept the charges listed as felonies, effectively ending Drage's ability to practice medicine while on probation.
I'm very disappointed that the court didn't designate these matters misdemeanors because I think the community has lost a great healthcare professional, and it's our concern that he will lose his license based on the undesignated nature of the offenses. And I think Mick had done everything that he could possibly do to try to work through this and put himself in a position to help the community again, and he won't be able to do that without the PA license. So I'm disappointed. But
Drage declined to comment to Gila Valley Central,
no comment.
But he did address the judge during sentencing.
I regret the impact that this may have had on the community. I regret that, the medications and whatnot. Again, when patients get on these types of medications, there's so much with tolerance, and you have to set a ceiling for them so that they don't get more and more medications. And most of them were at the maximum amounts.
This has been John Johnson reporting from Safford for Gila Valley Central.